Hi friends, welcome back to the YouTube education, and here we will go to do a sum of large sample test method number 3. This is the another sum of the method number 3, and here we will take question number 29. First of all, read the question number 29. A shoe company produces 3% defective shoes pairs in a random sample of 500 pairs. 20 pairs were found to be defective. Does this information suggest that the level of production has deteriorated or not? So start with our sum. You can see question here also, question number 29 we are going to do. Here is that question. Okay, so our step 1 is what? Step 1 is parameters and statics. Parameters and statics. Any of the method has this step. In that, what we will need here? M, N, then capital P, capital Q, small p. Okay, so capital M, सॉरी स्मॉल एम का हमारे पास में जो क्वेश्चन नंबर हम रीड करेंगे तो हियर इज ए शू कंपनी प्रोड्यूसेस 3 इफ द परसेंटेज इज गिवन देन दैट इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल P 3%. सो 3% मीन्स 3/100, so 0.03 it will be. Then Q 1 minus P, 1 minus 0.03, you will get 0.97 there. After then 500 pairs and 20 pairs found to be defective, so defective pairs is called M and total pairs is called sample N. So M upon N, it means 20 will be divided by 500. How much you will get there? 0.04. Now step 2, that is hypothesis. So hypothesis H0 and H1 is there. If H0 hypothesis is there, then P is equal to 0.03, or you can write down here capital P. P does not equal to 0.03. Step 3, find out the difference there. So difference between small p minus capital P. So small p is 0.04 minus 0.03. You will get 0.01 there. After then step 4 for standard error. Standard error, it is called SE. How we can calculate? So P, Q, N and then square root of whole. P is 0.03, you can see here. After then Q is here 0.97 Q. So 0.9 into 0.97, that is Q upon N. N means 500 is there, so write down 500 there and then square root. We will use our calculator for that. 0.03 multiply with 0.97 divide by 500, this one, and then square root of that. You will get 0.0076. It is our SE. Now step 5, ZCal. ZCal, how we can calculate ZCal? So difference upon SE. Difference upon SE. Step 3 divided by step 4. 0.01 will be divided by 0.0076. How much you will get there? So 0.01 divided by 0.0076. 1.32. 1.32 we will get there, and Step 6 will be zcal, ztab comparison. So zcal is 1.32, that is less than 1.96 at 5% level of significance. 5% level of significance. If it is less than, then our hypothesis H0 is accepted. Okay, so this is our method number 3, in that capital P is given, or the information for finding out the capital P is given there. Same way the information for small p, that is also given. Then you can calculate whole the 6 steps and you can decide whether your hypothesis is accepted or rejected. Thank you.